English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Go shopping, draw, kick. Go shopping. Go shopping is a noun. A1 learners usually know go shopping. At A1, go shopping means to visit shops to buy things. Here are some examples. I usually go shopping alone. Yeah, it's a phrase. Go shopping. Go shopping is a phrase. A1 learners usually know go shopping. At A1, go shopping means to visit shops to buy things. Here are some examples. I usually go shopping alone. She likes to go shopping at the weekend. When we go shopping, we often stop for coffee and cake. Draw. Draw is a verb. A1 learners usually know draw. At A1, to draw means to make a picture with a pencil or pen. Here are some examples. I can draw and sing. She draws and paints as well. In the art class, the students drew pictures. Kick. Kick is a verb. A1 learners usually know kick. At A1, to kick means to hit someone or something with the foot. Here are some examples. He loves to kick a football about. She picked up the ball and kicked it. They lost the key, so they kicked the door in. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences to go with shopping. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with go shopping, draw and kick. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.